Nobody saves $100,000 by 25 by accident. It is built habit by habit. The truth is, your income is not the problem. Your daily decisions are. 20 habits separated me from broke at 22 to 100K saved by 25. Here's what nobody tells you about why most people never hit their first 100K. They earn enough. They just spend faster than they build. Every single month. These are the exact habits I used. No trust fund, no lucky break. Just discipline. Habit number 1. I stopped upgrading my phone every single year without thinking twice. A new iPhone every cycle costs you $800 to $1,200 you did not need to spend. Keep your phone until it dies. Invest that $1,000 instead. Watch it compound quietly. Habit number 2. I cooked at home 5 days a week, without making exceptions for convenience. The average American spends over $3,000 a year eating out. That number is your wealth killer. Meal prep Sunday through Thursday. Eat out as a reward, not as a daily default habit. Habit number 3. I audited every subscription I had and canceled everything I was not using actively. If you're making this mistake, you are paying for 4 streaming services and using one of them. 1 streaming service, 1 music app. Cut the rest. That is $150 a month back in your pocket. Habit number 4. I never bought a brand new car, and I never will at this stage. A new car loses 20% of its value the moment you drive it off the lot entirely. Buy a reliable 2 to 3-year-old used car with low miles. Let someone else absorb the depreciation. Habit number 5. I made a shopping list before every single grocery store visit. Without a list, your brain buys on impulse, and impulse buying adds $50 to $100 per trip easily. List only. Stick to it. No exceptions. Impulse buys are wealth leaks disguised as small decisions. Habit number 6. I packed my lunch every single workday, instead of buying food near the office. Buying lunch 5 days a week at $12 per meal adds up to $3,000 per year, quietly. Pack your lunch 4 days minimum. That single habit alone saves you over $2,000 annually in real dollars. Habit number 7. I set up automatic savings transfers to fire the moment my paycheck hits my account. If you wait to save what is left over at the end of the month, you save nothing. Automate before your lifestyle can touch the money. Pay yourself first every single payday, without negotiation, ever. Habit number 8. I never bought clothing at full retail price, and I mean absolutely never at all. The truth is, thrift stores, outlet malls, and end-of-season sales sell the exact same quality clothing. Buy quality secondhand or heavily discounted. Your investment account does not care what brand your shirt is today. Habit number 9. I made coffee at home every morning instead of stopping at a coffee shop daily. Here's what nobody tells you about a $6 daily coffee habit over the course of 1 full year. That is $2,190 per year. Invested at 10% over 10 years, that becomes over $34,000 for coffee. Think about that. Habit number 10. I moved every dollar I saved into a high-yield savings account immediately without delay. A regular savings account pays you 0.01% interest. A high-yield account pays 4% to 5% annually right now. Your savings should be earning money while they sit there. If they are not, you are losing to inflation daily. Habit number 11. I use the public library instead of buying books, courses, and entertainment. If you're making this mistake, you are spending $40 a month on books you could borrow for absolutely nothing. The library has books, audiobooks, digital magazines, and free courses. Unlimited access, $0. Use it consistently every month. Habit number 12. I called every single service provider I had and negotiated my bills down every year. Internet, phone, insurance. Every company has retention deals they will not advertise until you threaten to cancel the plan. Call once a year. Say you are considering switching. Watch them offer you a lower rate immediately, every time. Habit number 13. I bought essentials in bulk every single time and never paid full price for consumables again. Paper towels, soap, toiletries, protein bars. Buying in bulk cuts the per unit cost by 30% to 50% consistently. 1 bulk shopping trip per month for essentials. The savings are quiet, but they compound over time in a big way. Habit number 14. I stopped buying things to impress people who were not paying any of my bills at all. The truth is, most lifestyle spending is not for you. It is for an audience that barely notices anyway. Buy for function, buy for need. Stop performing wealth you do not have yet. Build it first in silence. Habit number 15. I tracked every single dollar I spent using a budgeting app without skipping a single week. You cannot fix what you cannot see, and most people have no idea where their money actually disappears to monthly. Track for 30 days. You will find at least 2 or 3 categories draining money you didn't even notice. Habit number 16. I never paid for entertainment I could access for free or at a dramatically lower cost. Free concerts, hiking, parks, free museum days, free community events. None of these cost anything but time and intention. Here's what nobody tells you. The cheapest hobbies are often the ones that actually make you healthier and happier too. Habit number 17. I used cashback credit cards for every purchase and paid the balance in full monthly. If you're making this mistake, you are spending money on a debit card and leaving 2 to 5% cashback on the table. Use a no-fee cashback card for all normal spending. Pay it in full every month. Never pay interest, ever. Habit number 18. I bought generic brand products for groceries and household items without hesitation or brand loyalty at all. The truth is that generic and store brand products are manufactured in the same facilities as the name brand versions regularly. Switch 80% of your grocery cart to store brands. The quality is identical. The savings are 20 to 40% per trip. Habit number 19. I invested a fixed amount every single month into index funds, regardless of how the market looked. Most people wait for the perfect time to invest, and the perfect time never comes, so they never start at all. Invest the same amount every month, good market or bad. That consistency is the entire strategy. Nothing more is needed. Habit number 20. I treated every single raise and bonus as invisible money and invested it before lifestyle inflation touched it. Here's what nobody tells you about raises. Most people spend them faster than they receive them and stay exactly where they are. Every raise goes straight to investing first. Your lifestyle stays the same. Your net worth climbs. That gap is everything. Look, saving $100,000 by 25 does not require a 6-figure salary or a perfect life situation. It requires 20 small decisions repeated consistently over 3 years, without letting convenience override your financial future daily. The truth is, every habit on this list is uncomfortable at first and completely automatic within 60 days of starting it. You have the income. You have the ability. You were just never shown which decisions actually move the needle forward. Start with 3 habits from this list today. Not all 20, just 3. Then add more as each one sticks naturally. The difference between being broke at 25 and having 100,000 saved at 25 is not luck. It is the habits in this video. If this gave you a real starting point, hit subscribe and join this community of people building wealth the right way. Every single week, we break down the exact money moves they never taught you in school. Stay sharp, stay building.